everyone! Surprise! It's a bonus video. I'm Julie, keeper of my home. I'm actually just going to do a really quick video, really quick. You can call this your little holiday reminder. This week is Halloween. Tomorrow, no. 2 more days. We have 2 more days to Halloween. Which means Friday is November 1st. If you have been following me for a while, then you may recall my video I did last year around this time of year, simplifying your holidays. Well, I am on here really quick to do this video as a reminder that if you are going to follow all of my tips for simplifying your holidays, then you will want to start on Friday, November 1st. That's when I start. Usually this week I'm starting all my planning. I'm getting things put together. I'm making sure my addresses for doing my Christmas cards, making sure they're all still good. People move, things change, so you want to update that address book. I'm just kind of crossing my T's and dotting my I's, getting all of that prep work ready so that I can start on Friday, getting all of my stuff done. So if you have not seen that video, I give you some really great tips, some really great ideas for organizing and simplifying your holidays. Truly, they have saved me. These tips have saved me. I do it every year. I have been doing it for years. So if you have not seen that video, I'm gonna link it somewhere up here. I'm gonna link that for you and follow that video. Look at it. Follow all of the stuff in there. It really is going to make your life a lot simpler. You don't have to do everything in there, but there's a lot of stuff in there that is, and I've included Thanksgiving in there. So follow along with that. If you're new, please subscribe so you don't miss out on little bonus videos like this one. Hit that notification bell. It will remind you of any videos that come out. Subscribing is free. It doesn't cost anything. All it does is tell YouTube that you want to be notified of those videos. So subscribe and click the little bell. It's the little bell sitting next to the subscribe button, the red button down there. So yeah, do that. And until next time.